eventually Microsoft realized that Windows Script Host and VB-Script just were not filling the bill for administration of servers and data centers, and so they hired this man, Jeffrey Snover, who became the champion for what we will be studying in this as we go on in this class, PowerShell. And he wrote something called the Monad Manifesto. Here it is. It's 16 pages long, and the Monad Manifesto really was the it's the idea of scripting for servers or scripting for administration. And if you were to read through the Monad Manifesto, you would discover that it's very much like what PowerShell ended up being in the long run. And in fact, as we get down into this thing, let's see if I can find any of it. Well, I don't see it offhand, but down in here are actually some of the command structures that he had in mind for PowerShell. It was not called PowerShell yet. Here we go. Here's his actual expression for these things called commandlets. And the idea of commandlets was a new type of command that had a different look and feel to them. And he wanted a very unique name that would be instantly recognizable if you Googled it, for example. So the Monad Manifesto became the basis for what we know now as PowerShell. And it is a fascinating paper. If you ever want to read a fun paper, I would read the Monad Manifesto, even though it's 16 pages long. And this was really the start of PowerShell as we know.